How to create a vision board that will change your life in 2025. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I teach all things real estate, and before we jump into this video, hit that like and subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can get the latest resources, tips, and strategies that actually work. Today we're talking about how to manifest your dream life in 2025 with a vision board. This isn't just creating a pretty picture, this is about creating a visual roadmap to your best year yet. First, let's talk about what you'll need for your vision board. I like to do my vision board a little bit different. I create my vision board online, and that is the way that I'll be showing you guys today. I create the vision board online inside of Canva, so if you do not feel like going out spending money to buy supplies to create your vision board, Canva is free and you can create your vision board on Canva for absolutely nothing. This is perfect if you're still a visual learner because you get to see your vision board right in front of you. You can save it as a screensaver to your cell phone or your laptop, and a lot of people use their phones every single day, and you'll be able to actually see it 24/7. So before we actually start creating the vision board, step one would be to set your intentions. What do you actually want to achieve in 2025? You want to do this by breaking it into categories such as your career, finances, health, personal growth, and hobbies. Also be very specific. So instead of saying I want to make $10,000, you can say I want to make $10,000 a month from social media marketing or from real estate deal. But you need to be very specific on how you want to make that $10,000. When do you want to make that $10,000? How long do you want it to take you? You just have to be very, very specific when setting goals. After you set your intentions for your goals, you want to choose a template inside of Canva. Now in Canva, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in vision board. So I want you to look through these templates that Canva has, and I want you to select a vision board that speaks to you. Only you know what you'll be able to bring to life. So that's what I want you to do. This pink vision board right here, it is very cute, but it has no words in it at all, but vision board 2024, which we can change that to 2025, of course. But it doesn't have any words. I'm the type of person, I need to put words under my pictures. That's just how I understand my vision board. So when you're making a vision board, make sure that you pick a template that you're going to understand. Only you know how you're going to reach your goals the best way in 2025. So this is the type of vision board that speaks to me. It has places where I can insert text inside of. So I'm going to select customize this template. The good thing about Canva is you can upload your own personal images to Canva over here where it says uploads, or, oh, y'all see my wedding photos? Or you can select element and you can type in, you know, the type of images that you want to appear. For me, this is pretty cool actually, because you guys are going to watch me create my own vision board for 2025. I know some people do vision board parties all the time, so this feels like a party to me because you guys are all watching and participating. So this is really, really fun. So what I did was change the text. Usually when you change the text, it'll ask if you want to change all. You see at the bottom, change all. Yes, because I just didn't like the font. But like I said, you get to personalize the board as much as you want to. This is your board. So vision board, I'm just going to put 2025 down here. And we're going to start with some of my personal goals as far as career. What do I want to achieve in my career? So you should be thinking about this as well. And I would love it if you guys do this with me, along with me, so you won't feel like you're doing this by yourself. I do want to become a real estate agent. I'm just gonna stick myself right here. Yeah, this is how you make it personable. And I have some land that I want to start developing as well. Development or a developer. As far as finances goes, I want to hit $1 million next year, whether that's in real estate, building business credit, social media marketing. I want to hit $1 million in one of these 3 things. So that is what I'm going to be focusing on for 2025. So I typed in $1 million and I found a photo that says first million, and I want to put it right here. It kind of speaks for itself. Move this along. Look how easy it is to create. And I explained how I want to do that. Real estate deals. You also can put something right here, said marketing. So for health, I'm going to put my fruits and veggies. I really want to tone my body and get more fit. I love watching videos of the fit girlies in the gym handling their business. I'm like, yeah, they not playing no games. 45 as the goal weight. I also want to travel more next year. Yes, definitely. Y'all, I don't have my passport. That is a problem. I need to get my passport. Like, where do I want to go? So yeah, guys, we got work to do. I also want to purchase more investment properties, and I really want to get a mentor. I want to get a mentor in this next level that I'm trying to be successful in, or that I will be successful in. So yeah, getting a mentor, definitely on my list. Also going to add press here, government contracts. I'm also going to add speaking events. So if you are someone who is watching and would love me to speak at your next big event, please let me know. I'd be honored. The last thing I'm going to do is change the background of my vision board. And yeah, I like that. So now what I do is I click share and then download. Download again. We're going to save it as a PNG file. And then I am going to set it as a background saver or a desktop saver for my computer. So every time I open up my computer and I'm about to do something, it's right there and I'm constantly reminded of it, okay? You can also set it as a screensaver on your cell phone so that when you're getting ready to use your phone, it is constantly reminding you of your goals for the day. Also, when you're creating your vision board, don't think small. Like, think as big as possible. Let your imagination just run free. Don't limit yourself to, oh, I can't do this in 1 year. Just put it down. Just write it down. Have it on your vision board, because even if you're not able to achieve these things in 2025, you can carry it on to 2026. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vision board. This was my personal vision board and I got to share it with you all. So if you do create your vision board inside of Canva, please share your link. I would love to see what you all created and came up with. And I wish you all much success in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you can get the latest tips, resources, and strategies that actually work. And I will see you all in my next video.